You keep saying you're stuck, but you're not stuck, you're stalling. You're procrastinating on your potential, waiting for motivation to come and save you. But let me tell you what the Stoics already knew. Life doesn't wait. The clock doesn't care, and neither does your dream. So the real question is, when are you going to stop lying to yourself and start moving? Everyone says, I'm just not ready yet. But readiness is a lie, a comfortable myth. Marcus Aurelius didn't wait to feel ready. He ruled an empire during plagues and war. Not because he felt like it, but because he had to. And you keep waiting to feel ready to start your workout, your project, your life. Here's the truth. You will never feel fully ready. You must move anyway. Stop chasing motivation. It's the weakest fuel you'll ever use. It comes and goes with the weather, with your sleep, with your emotions. You don't need motivation, you need a mission. A Stoic man doesn't wait for a spark. He becomes the fire. He moves when it's hard, when it's inconvenient, when it hurts, because that's when it matters most. You are not what you say you are. You are what you consistently do. Your confidence is built in silence. In the mornings you get up tired, in the nights you train when everyone else is sleeping. You don't become disciplined by wishing. You become disciplined by repeating powerful action until your nervous system adapts. That's how the mind is forged. Repetition, reps, relentlessness. Most people talk themselves out of greatness. They whisper excuses to their soul. I'm not enough. I'm not ready. What if I fail? And the mind listens. The body obeys. But you're here because that voice is not your master. You're here because some part of you still believes in warrior logic. I go anyway. I move anyway. I lead anyway. You're not faking confidence. You're forging identity. The man you're becoming, he's not built in applause or followers. He's built in silence. He's built when your body screams quit and your mind answers, keep going. That's when you stop pretending and start becoming. Discipline isn't a mask. It's the mirror of who you really are underneath the excuses. Every time you act, you cast a vote, not for the world, for your future self. Every rep, every early morning, every refusal to fold is a ballot for the man you say you want to be. One day, you will meet him. Make sure he respects the journey you took to reach him. The Stoics didn't believe the mind was something to obey. They trained it like a wild horse to carry them into war. Epictetus said, you may not control what happens, but you can control how you respond. And how you respond becomes who you are. Lead your mind, dominate your thoughts, or be ruled by them forever. You don't need to act like a leader, you need to become one. You don't need to perform confidence, you need to practice presence. This isn't about impressing people. This is about becoming undeniable, not by hype, but by heat. Heat built in repetition, in solitude and fire. The strongest men you've ever admired, they didn't announce they were becoming strong. They just showed up, day after day. And eventually the world couldn't ignore them. That's your mission now, to be so consistent, so grounded, so aligned with who you're becoming, that people feel your presence before you speak. This is the moment. You either go back to average or you rise. Confidence is not gifted, it's claimed. Discipline is not a feeling, it's a decision. So decide right now, I am not a maybe, I am a must. I don't fold, I don't wait, I don't fake it, I become it. Now move like you were born for this. If you made it this far, you're not just watching, you're becoming. So prove it. Drop build different in the comments if you're done waiting and ready to build the version of you the world hasn't met yet. And if this hits something deep, that fire in your gut, that voice saying, let's go, then don't let it fade. Subscribe now and join the tribe of modern warriors, stoic thinkers, and those who move with discipline over doubt. This isn't just motivation, this is identity work. And we do it here, brick by brick, rep by rep, until the world catches up.